Namaskar, myself Anurag Patil and welcome to CNA, that is Corona News and Analysis. Coronavirus is an epidemic which has caused a terror in the mind among the people all around the world. It has adversely affected the economy and development of countries all around the world. Disease caused by coronavirus is called COVID-19. Its first symptom was found in China during late December 2019. Now let's talk about the place of origin. Secret agencies of most countries are claiming that this virus has spread due to China. Some countries are claiming that it has spread from its seafood market, while some countries are claiming that it was being cultivated by a virology department in China. But due to some fault, the virus spread all around the world, claiming lakhs of lives in the world. So, WHO has declared it as a pandemic. Now let's talk about the effect of COVID-19 on the world. Whole world is adversely affected due to COVID-19. There has been 4.66 million cases in the world due to COVID-19. Almost all the countries in the world have been shaken out due to this pandemic. The virus do not see whether the country is developed or not. Top 3 worst affected countries are USA, where more than 1.5 million people are affected, claiming more than 89,000 people's life, where more than 274,000 people have recovered. Now let's talk about second worstly affected country, that is Spain, where around 231,000 people are affected, claiming around 27,650 lives, where more than 150,000 people have recovered. Now let's talk about the third mostly affected country, which is Italy, where more than 225,000 people are affected, claiming more than 31,763 lives, where 85,000 people have recovered from COVID-19. Now let's talk about our own country, India. There are more than 90,000 cases in India, killing more than 2,800 people, but more than 34,000 people have recovered. Now let's talk about the effect on Indian economy by COVID-19. The condition of Indian economy is just like a family with zero income but high expenditure. Still, Government of India is facing all these losses and working to save each and every life of its citizen. The relief package given in India is highest in the world. The Government of India has been taking remarkable steps to fight against the pandemic, which is appreciable in the world. Now, a very common question which rises in our mind is that why there is no treatment of COVID-19? Yes, this question is obvious. Vaccine is not yet discovered in any country because the coronavirus show reverse transcription, due to which antivirus can't work. While some countries are claiming that they have discovered the vaccine and will start its trial on humans by the month of June. In India too, plasma transfusion test was done on humans and not much side effects were seen. But the only way to stop its spread is social distancing. If the chain gets broken, then new cases will not arise. Now, to overcome this pandemic, our Prime Minister Honorable Modi has started a fund which name is PM Cares Fund. So, this fund was established for the citizens to donate some fund to help the government in fighting against this pandemic. As a responsible citizen of India, for the sake of humanity, we must donate. One remarkable step taken by Tata Group of Company and Tata Sons have paid 1,500 crores in PM Cares Fund, which is highest in India. Now let's talk about the coronavirus. During this lockdown, we are instructed to stay at home. But if we all will stay at home, then how will our country run? So, during the spread of this pandemic, some warriors go out of their home to keep us safe. So, following are the corona warriors. First, doctors, nurses, paramedical staffs, pharmaceutical companies and pharmacists. Second, police personnel. Third, defense. Fourth, banks and insurance. Fifth, sanitation workers. Sixth, postal service. Seventh, local administrations. Eighth, media, and many more. So, how shall we protect ourselves from this pandemic? To protect ourselves, we must keep in mind to wash our hands for 20 seconds every 20 minutes with alcohol based hand sanitizer or with hand wash. Second, avoid touching one's face frequently. Third, social distancing. Fourth, avoid going out until very necessary. Fifth, by downloading and registering yourself in Arogya Setu app. Now, how to entertain ourselves during this lockdown? Government has taken many steps for our entertainment during this lockdown. We can watch the Ramayana, Mahabharata and many more old popular TV serials with whole family throughout this lockdown, through which we can gain morality in ourselves. Now, let's talk about the advantages of COVID-19. One must be astonished to know that what are the advantages of COVID-19. But yes, everything has a positive as well as negative aspect. Similarly, COVID-19, coronavirus is also having a positive aspect. Following are the positive aspects of COVID-19. First, family togetherness. Second, polluted air is getting purified. Third, we are reconnecting ourselves to the nature. Fourth, rivers are getting cleaned. Fifth, road accidents have been reduced. So this was all about the Corona warriors. You can also be a Corona warrior by staying at home. This war is very easy to win. So stay tuned to our channel to get more updates. Thank you and have a nice day and be a Corona warrior.